guys, I have Brianna with me today and we want to show you how to do a Dutch braid into 5-strand braid. So let me turn you around. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let's get started. Start off by parting the hair in the middle from forehead to crown, and then in the back I'm also splitting the hair down the middle and putting the left side out of the way for now. Take a small section of the hair on the right side and split it to 3 equal strands, and put your left strand under the middle and right strand under the middle. Left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Continue picking up hair until you reach the neck. And all my hair is picked up from this half, I'm just continuing with extra few stitches, and I will not tie with elastic, but for now just secure the hair with the hair clip. Also, I'm not making this braid extra tight. But you're taking somebody home. Let's move to the other side, and I'm picking up a small section of the hair on the left side now, splitting it to 3 equal strands, and put your right strand under the middle, left strand under the middle. Right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand, cross it under the middle. Left strand, add extra hair, cross it under the middle. Right strand, add extra hair, cross it under the middle. Left strand, add extra hair, cross it under the middle. And just like we did on the other side, I am not making this braid extra tight. Continue all the way down until you've picked up all the hair and reach the neck. I know what you need, I would bleed for you, but you're taking somebody home. I know I need to move on, I need to be strong, but I don't wanna go home alone, no, no, no. So the reason why I didn't want the part line to go all the way down to the neck and I stopped at the crown is because I do not want to see that part line in the back. So as you see right now, as you're picking up the hair, you really cannot see that part line. So now that we've picked up the last strand, unclip the braid on the right, and we will combine 2 strands together now to achieve 5 strands altogether. So I'm taking the one closest to the left side and connecting it with my left middle strand. And now I have 5 strands in my hands. So from the left, strand goes under the next and over the middle. On the right, under the next and over the middle strand. Again, on the left, outside goes under the next and over the middle. On the right, outer strand goes under the next and over the middle. Continue with the 5-strand braid, and I will go back and gently tug at the edges of the braid to give it a little bit more volume. It's an optional, I just like the way the braid looks when it's slightly pancaked. Let's go over 5-strand braid a little bit slower. Outer strand on the left goes under the next strand and over the middle. On the right, outer strand goes under the next strand and over the middle. On the left, outer strand goes under the next strand and over the middle. And on the right, outer strand goes under the next and over the middle. I'm going back and gently tugging at the edges of the braid to give it more volume. Continue braiding until you reach the end and secure the braid with an elastic. We smile when we're mad. Now I'm going back and continue to tug on the edges of the braid until I achieve the fullness that I desire. And once you're satisfied with the result, you're all done. Try to listen instead, won't you? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe, and click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorials are being uploaded, since we changed our schedule, and right now we will be posting about 3 tutorials a week. And as usual, all the products that I used in this video I will link down in the description box below, and we will see you on our next tutorial. Bye!